Hey guys, this is Desiree with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I want to talk about a few different ways to keep your machine clean and fungal free. One of the biggest things that you can do is, instead of throwing your part into the machine while it's caked in oil and grease, which is still something you can do, but if you want to keep your machine clean, you can instead throw it into a parts washer first. You can maybe couple your vapor honing machine with a manual parts washer or an automatic parts washer. Another suggestion is to get antimicrobial agent for your machine. And this is only going to work if you have a closed loop system on your machine. Otherwise, if you put it into an open loop system, you're just going to be continuously losing that product as you drain out your machine's overflow of water. The antimicrobial agent is going to prevent fungal and the growth of microbes. It's going to prevent smell and keep your machine fresher for longer. Another option is oil absorption pads, which again, you'll need a closed loop system for that because the pad sits in your closed loop system on the top sedimentation tank. This is going to catch, absorb, and keep any excess oil and grease from recirculating into your machine. Another way to keep your machine fresh is to just create a routine schedule of water changes and media changes. This is going to be on a case-by-case basis depending on how dirty the parts are that you put in and how often the machine is used. Luckily, it's not difficult to clean out the water of your machine. You're just going to let your media settle to the bottom of your machine and open up the middle ball valve. That's going to get all the contaminated and dirty water out. Close that back up and just refill it with fresh water. The media itself doesn't get contaminated, it's the water that does, but you want to keep your machine working at top notch. So I do recommend doing some measurements of your media to make sure you have that 80-20 ratio because the media is going to pulverize over a long period of time. So ultimately, fresh water changes and fresh media changes as needed is going to keep your machine fresh and working in the best possible performance. So those are just a few tips to keep your machine fresh and clean for longer. And if you'd like more information about this, you can visit our website or call our office directly at 828-202-5563.